Unit C, and the topic are adjectives. Adjectives 1. So let us understand what is an adjective. In your previous classes also, you have studied the concept of adjective. So adjectives are describing words are called adjectives. They modify a noun or a pronoun. So describing words used before a noun or a pronoun, they are called adjectives. Now we will understand with few examples. Now Ram is a boy. Simple sentence. Ram is a boy. Now what type of boy is Ram? So if we say Ram is a tall boy. So what is tall here? It is telling about Ram, that Ram is a tall boy. It is telling the quality of Ram, that Ram is a tall boy. So tall word here is an adjective because it is describing Ram. Okay. So Ram is a tall boy. It is telling the quality of Ram. Some few examples we will take. Second example, he wore red jacket. Now simple sentence is he wore a jacket. Now what type of jacket? A red color jacket. So red is the adjective here. Now third example, baby drinks little milk. Now baby drinks milk. How much milk? Little milk. So little is the adjective over here. Now next sentence, I have 10 friends. How many friends? 10. So that is describing about friends. So that 10 is the adjective here. Now he has silky hair. What type of hair? Silky hair. So silky is the adjective over here. So words like tall, red, little, 10, silky, they are all called adjectives because they are describing the noun or a pronoun. So we can say adjectives are placed before a noun or a pronoun. They are called describing words and they modify the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. Did you understand? So I hope the concept of adjectives is clear. Now next we are going to do types of adjectives. Now we shall discuss types of adjectives. I have explained to you that what are adjectives? Adjectives are the describing words. They qualify a noun or a pronoun. That is, they modify the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. So the different types of adjectives are, first one is qualitative adjective. Qualitative adjective, the word qualitative means it tells about the quality of the noun or the pronoun. And words like clever, smart, tall, beautiful, handsome, all these words go and explain the quality of the noun or the pronoun. So these are few examples like clever, smart, tall, beautiful. You can use other words also which tell about the quality of the noun or the pronoun, right? Now the second type of adjectives is the quantitative adjective. Now quantitative adjective, it tells or reflects the quantity or the amount, right, of the noun or the pronoun. So few examples we will be taking: some, more, little, much, okay, few. Other examples also you can take. So they are telling about the amount or the quantity expressed in the noun or the pronoun, right? Then the third are the numerical adjectives. Now what are numerical adjectives? Let us understand. Numerical adjectives, it show the numbers of the noun or the pronoun. Like we have studied before also, cardinal and ordinal. Cardinal means numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and you can name any. And The ordinal means it tells the sequence of the order, like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So it reflects the order of the noun or the pronoun, right? Then the fourth category is interrogative adjectives. Now interrogative word, often you must have heard what is interrogative. Question words, right? So examples let us consider: whose, what, when, where, how, which. So they are the interrogative adjectives. So we have considered four types here. Qualitative adjectives, which expresses the quality, like tall, short, fat, slim, clever, smart, tall, beautiful, many other, right? Then second, quantitative, it expresses quantity, how much or the amount, like some, more, little, much, several, few, many other. Then third, numerical adjectives I have told. Numerical adjectives, they express numbers or the sequence. Like in numbers we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any number. And sequence mein, in orders, we have got first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, any order it can be. Then the fourth, interrogative adjectives, is expressed by the words, questioning words, like whose, what, when, where, how, all these words. They are interrogative adjectives. Next, the fifth one we are going to consider, and I hope you have understood these four different types of adjectives. Now moving on to the fifth one. Now next category we are coming to, the fifth one, that is the possessive adjectives. Now let us understand what are possessive adjectives. Now possessive adjectives, they show belongingness or possession, right? And the words which are, the adjectives which are used are his, her, mine, your, our. So they are called possessive adjectives. Why? Because it shows possession. This is his house. Her pencil is very dark. Okay, the books kept on the table are mine. This is your book. This is our house. So this shows possession or belongingness. Now next, the sixth category, that is emphasizing adjectives. Now what are emphasizing adjectives? They emphasize or focus on a particular noun or a pronoun, right? So examples we are going to understand with few examples. Very, own, perfect, my, true, real, right? So they are emphasizing adjectives, right? So what you are saying is true. Whatever you are saying is true. That is, you are emphasizing. The work which you have done or the project which you have done is real. How you are using, you see how you are using emphasizing adjectives in sentences. Okay? So, the book which you bought for me is very good. Okay? So, they are emphasizing adjectives, that they emphasize the noun or the pronoun. So, what are these words? Very, own, perfect, my, true, real. Many other are there. Now, the seventh category is the demonstrative adjectives. Now, as the word indicates, demonstration means to exhibit or to point out, right? So, the words which are used as demonstrative adjectives are, it demonstrates or shows. What is the function of demonstrative adjectives? It demonstrates or it shows or exhibits, I told you, right? So, the words that are used are this, that, these, those. So, I hope these words you can use in sentences. This is my house. That book is yours. These are my pencils. The books kept on those cupboard are storybooks, right? So, those books are storybooks. So, these words like this, that, these, those, they are all called demonstrative adjectives. That is, they show or point out towards the noun or the pronoun. So 7 types of adjectives we have discussed, right? So the 7 types were, let us all just revise: qualitative, quantitative, numerical adjectives, interrogative adjectives, possessive adjectives, emphasizing adjectives, and demonstrative adjectives. I hope you understand the different types of adjectives. And what are adjectives? As I told you, they are describing words and they modify a noun or the pronoun. So I hope you all have understood the concept of adjectives.